everybody and welcome. Today's video we are unboxing our Boxycharm by Ipsy. It's our paid for. And then while I was getting ready to sit down to film, my Eyescream beauty box actually showed up. It's a little bit different as far as it's not in a box, it's in a bubble mailer, but this was sent in PR, so I thought we would go ahead and unbox that. So before we jump into today's video, huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. I just want to say thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel. For those of you that are clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, thank you, I see you and I appreciate you all. And for those of you returning and sharing this video over on Facebook, thank you guys. I like to give thanks where thanks is due, and I appreciate each and every single one of you all. And before we jump into today's video, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Dossier for partnering with me in today's video. Dossier is a great way to grow your cologne or perfume collection without breaking the bank. They have inspired by scents such as ones from Tom Ford and YSL and Juliet Has a Gun and even Jimmy Choo. There's so many different options as well as original Dossier scents. I will restock when I find my favorites. So this is the powdery peach, and this is inspired by the Jimmy Choo I Want Choo, and it also has all of the top notes listed on the glass bottle with a magnetic closure. They have men's scents, women's scents, and unisex scents as well, and I absolutely love their perfumes. I mean, you never have to worry about breaking the bank, and I love to layer the different scents when it comes to Dossier. One thing that I did notice on their website is they have come out with a new trio that you can purchase. Now, they did give us a coupon code. It is Rhonda5, and it is going to save you money off of your purchase. With these trios, you can choose your favorites. If you are interested in a rich gourmand scent trio, they have that starting as low as $27. If you're more into sweet and powdery scents, they have a trio for you. I mean, the list goes on, and I think it's really cool that they're offering something like that because it gives you the opportunity to try out 3 different scents. So again, when it comes to Dossier, the more you buy, the more you save. Definitely check out Dossier. I think you're going to love them. I know a lot of you guys have picked them up based off of my recommendations. My mom has grown her collection this way, so has my kids and my husband. We all love Dossier in this house, and again, you never have to worry about breaking the bank when you pick up a Dossier product. So once again, check my description box down below to check out Dossier's site and save yourself 5% with coupon code Rhonda5. Alright, let's go ahead and jump in first to my paid for Boxycharm by Ipsy box. Now, I know that we get to customize 3 out of the 5 items or something like that. It's coming to about $33 here in Kentucky. I done forgot what my choices were and what I have picked, so here we are. It's like a first impressions. We don't have the foam. We do not have the foam. So if you guys have never heard of Boxycharm by Ipsy, it is like a makeup beauty kind of subscription box. It is monthly, and I do have a link down below. That's actually an affiliate link, so thank you guys if you do use that link. I definitely appreciate it. So we do have the little Boxycharm pamphlet. Honestly, what do you guys think? I really wish they would just go back to the card. To me, the card is easier. I mean, I don't know, maybe y'all read. That has been my 2024 goal. If you guys follow Haley and I over on Spotify, we have a podcast, Unconditional Hot Mess. And that was one of the things that I am trying to work on for 2024 is reading more. Still working on I think it's an autobiography, the Jessica Simpson book that she wrote. Okay, so the first item that I received, so this is a Gold Faden MD Doctor Scrub. So this is actually a microderm exfoliator, which is good because I just ran out of my favorite one, which is by Tula. It's the pumpkin one. That is my absolute favorite, and I just used the rest of it like literally 3 nights ago. So this is perfect timing, full size, so that's nice. Next in here, we've got the Signature Palette Luxe from OFRA Cosmetics. This is one that I've already received. Oh, the packaging is different. You guys see that? It's like a cardboard packaging. Oh, this is pretty. Wow, this whole thing is different. This is not typically, normally it's in like their plastic case. So Champagne Wishes Come True, and you've got Truffle, Divine, Rede Drive, Brown, and Clay. So I may not have this one because like I said, it says Signature Palette Luxe. So that's what it looks like. It definitely like a perfect everyday safe palette. So you know your girl likes that. Speaking of which, can I just say a big thank you to you all, because you actually sold my palette, the Unconditional Mini Mix, or the Mini Mix Unconditional palette. You sold it out at Ulta. I know. So Ulta is supposed to be restocking it, but I will also link it. The Nordstrom Rack picked it up as well, so I'll link it if you guys want to pick it up at Nordstrom Rack. You can also find it at OFRAcosmetics.com, and you can use code HOTMESS to save yourself 20% over there, site-wide. So with my palette, my lip duo as well, and everything else site-wide over at OFRA. But thank you guys so much. Like, I'm still in disbelief. All right, next in here we have the Soft Matte Contour Stick by Pink Lips. I think I actually picked this out. Now, we've seen Pink Lips in the past, but to me this is still not a brand that I'm very familiar with. So here's the packaging, kind of pink little plastic packaging in the shade Cappuccino. Oh, I like that. That blends out really nice too. Next in here, we have got a Laura Mercier Caviar Stick, which these used to be so popular in what, 2018? So this shade is Bed of Roses. Lay me down on a bed of roses. Ooh, I like that. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's getting a little dark outside, so it might be a little hard to tell, but that is really pretty. I could see myself definitely using that. I mean, honestly, little shout out to myself, it would match well with my palette, but it would also match well with the palette that we picked out there. We picked out, or they picked out, somebody picked it out, I don't know. All right, last in here, we've got the Cupid's Arrow Full Color. It's by Nabla. It's a black, I guess, liner. I will actually use this. This makes me so excited. Let's see. Oh, and I barely tap it. So let's hope it works well on my waterline, because if you guys, once again, have been with me for a while, I use my Tarte Sugar. It literally is so, it's from Boxycharm, probably 2019. I love it, and I only use it on the waterline. That is it. That is all. And I am literally like, I can't twist it anymore. So hopefully this doesn't bleed, because that Tarte Sugar one does not bleed. It doesn't run. I've tried many, so who knows. Okay, so that is everything in my Ipsy, so Boxycharm by Ipsy. And you know, I'm normally one to sit and whine and complain, which I will complain that the dunnage was not the best, but we did receive more than before, so that's good. But if you have already done giving me foam, you might want to keep doing that. I'm just saying. All right, let's go ahead and jump into our Eyescream beauty box for January. Now, this one is a very makeup heavy. So as you noticed over in the Boxycharm by Ipsy one, there, oh, did I just cut my britches? No, you know why? Because I have to use childproof scissors. Over in the Boxycharm one, actually it was mostly makeup and then one skincare, which is really nice, because normally it's a ton of skincare that drives me bonkers. So, oh my gosh, there's a ton of stuff in here. So the Eyescream beauty box, guys, is very makeup heavy, which is really, really nice. And you are always going to be guaranteed a palette in here, which again is very nice, especially if you are trying to grow your makeup collection. That was something personally that kind of sold me on the box. This box is also a monthly box, and it's only like $24, $25 a month. You can get 10% off with your first box with code HOTMESS. That is not an affiliate code or nothing like that. They actually do have a card in here, which is really nice. It tells you everything that is in here, the price, all of that, which is nice. On the back it says too full. Unfortunately, there will be too many products to fit in our standard subscription boxes. Rather than take items out or change them, we opted to ship this month's items in temporary mailer bags. We are sorry for any inconvenience. Our normal packaging will return in February. Eyescream Beauty. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you for that, because that definitely threw me off. I'm very much a woman of routine, and when my routine gets a little like, what? Whatever, nobody cares, shut up. Anyway, so let's go ahead and jump into the first item. This is by Appeal Cosmetics. This does say that it is the Ultra Cream lipstick for $21. And it has been a few months since we have included, wait, this is, it says Appeal, but apparently, oh, we also have a lipstick in here. This is $21. So they say it's been a few months since we've included a bullet lipstick in our boxes. Bullet lipsticks are generally easier to apply than a liquid formula. Since we are going back to bases, we knew we had to include it. And that's the theme for January, back to basics. It's kind of like a dusty mauve color. Let's go ahead and swatch. I honestly like this a lot. I thought this was going to be super crazy dark, but it's not at all. I really like that. It's more of like a nudie color. Very pretty, very nice and comfortable. I like that. All right, next in here is also by Appeal, and this is a Sculpt Artistry face palette. It does have a $22 retail value. This is a brand new launch. The first row of the palette can be used as a highlight or a concealer. The second row can be used as a bronzer or concealer, and the last row can be used as a blush or a lipstick. That's at me 10 hours later finally showing you guys. That's actually pretty. I love the bottom row shades. I think that's really nice. I'll be honest, it's not probably one that I will gravitate towards, so I'll put this in a future giveaway, but I do like that. Just because it's not something that I would gravitate to doesn't mean that y'all wouldn't gravitate to it, you know what I mean? And I mean, some of you guys are makeup artists and traveling makeup artists, so this could be something potentially that would go into your kit, so that's nice. Okay, next in here we have the Illuminati Cosmetics Posh Lip Gloss for $20. It can be used as a topper or on its own. Use the top of the bullet lipstick and add some shine. Lipstick, and then I like the way it feels. It feels nice and comfortable. I love these like pinky shades for sure. Next in here we have the, is it Beely makeup? Speaking of Biel, Jessica Biel and Justin Timberlake, y'all follow that? Drama going down apparently because of Britney's book. I mean, I'm not a fan of him. Ooh, okay, so it looks like we've got some brushes here. So this is Beely Beauty makeup brushes. There's actually 3. 2 are in a box and then 1 is right here. And these have $15 retail value. And they actually went viral on TikTok. They're affordable quality makeup brushes. And this month we've chosen 3 of their brushes to showcase in this month's box. So the largest brush, this is going to be your foundation brush. The medium brush can be used for concealer or precise contouring, and the smallest brush is a flat shader brush that can be used for contouring or to smooth and apply your eyeshadow. So I do like that they have given explanation for each of the brushes. The brushes do feel nice as well. I do like, I'll definitely try them out. I didn't know that they went viral over on TikTok. Did y'all know? I'm on TikTok a lot. That's like my guilty pleasure. That's why I'm trying to take up reading more, because I'm spending a lot of time on that TikTok. Next we have the ZC Living Color Flea, and hold on, let me get the plastic off. It's a mascara, it looks like. And you guys told me I need to start opening the actual mascaras because sometimes they're colorful and I miss that. And I don't realize it because I'll put it in a giveaway box or give it to Haley, and then you guys are like, did you know that was purple? And I'm like, haha, no. So we've got a little slender mascara here. It's so cute and tiny. I like that. This is gonna be great for like those lower lashes if they're like itty bitty teeny tiny. Yeah, I feel like It Cosmetics or somebody had this before that I've tried. I don't know, but I do like it. I had used it till it dried up, so I will definitely be using that. Yay. Babe, you're like ninja-ing around here.
The floor cracking.
I heard the floor, but I was like, oh, maybe that's a cutie kitty bebopping through the house.
If it wasn't for the floor, I would have made it.
I wish I had gotten your head bopping around the corner. Okay, last in here, we've got Beauty Moon Cosmetics times Ice Cream Beauty. And this is a Warrior Princess Boudica. Okay, stop. My grammar is hideous, all right? But whatever. So this is going to be the palette. It does have a retail value of $33. I tell you what, I really, really like that Ice Cream Beauty Box features like indie brands like this that we have not heard of before. They've done it a lot with a lot of brands that I'm not familiar with, so I really, really appreciate that. This is their second collaboration with Beauty Moon Cosmetics. The palette is named after the Celtic queen who led a revolt against Roman rule in the ancient Britain. The palette's organized with 3 quads, 2 mattes, 1 shimmer, and 1 duo per quad. Oh, this is fun. So I got to be careful because the black one looks like it's kind of chipping a little bit, and I really don't want to get that on my fuzzy carpet below me. But here's the palette. I like the sizes. I mean, you can see. What do I always gravitate to? Like, I need to come up with an eyeshadow palette with this color similar to that. I think that is so pretty. And this purple, like the colors you just wouldn't expect me to probably gravitate to. Guess who gravitates? Ooh, they feel nice. Oh, that's a shifter. I like that. Ooh, these feel really nice. There's that green is a shifter too. Oh, I like the shifties. That's pretty. It's very like mermaid-esque over here, like with that purpley color. Yeah, I like that a lot. And see, here's the thing. Like for me, I get a little like, oh my gosh, that's too much. I can't. Okay, calm down. You can with this one. And then you can just pop a little sparkly in here. Like, calm yourself, girl. You got this. So, once again, I feel like Ice Cream Beauty Box really puts the thought into everything when they are curating these boxes. For $25, you all. You guys know I love Ice Cream Beauty Box. I like too that the lipstick and the lip gloss are not scary shades. They're not like afterthought shades in my opinion. As far as the mascara goes, I did what you guys said. I opened it and I will use it for sure. So the only thing I probably won't use is this, and that's just a me thing. So overall, I do think it was a good box for January. And my Boxycharm by Ipsy box, I think that was a pretty good box too. So let me know, which box did you think came out on top, and did you like this style, or would you rather have individual videos? Let me know down below. Like I said, if you want to pick up the Boxycharm by Ipsy, I do have an affiliate link. I'll have that down below if you're interested in picking up the Ice Cream Beauty Box. Coupon code HOTMESS, that will save you 10%. And of course, if you go ahead and shop over at Dossier, you will save 5%. And actually, the more you buy, the more you save. With code RHONDA5, that'll save you an additional 5%. Definitely make sure to check them out. I love Dossier, and thank you once again to Dossier for partnering with me in today's video once again. Definitely let me know which Dossier I should pick up next, because you know I'm gonna be on that website. They're constantly adding new ones. Anyways, all information will be down below, including my hoodie from Amazon that's on sale now for I think $24.99. I'll have it linked in my Amazon storefront. Thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate each and every single one of you all. Feel free to share this video over on Facebook. And until next time, friends, check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls over there, Hotmess in the Kitchen, mine and Haley's podcast over on Spotify, which will be linked, TikTok and Instagram at Hotmess Momma 4. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. Now to see what my husband's up to. He bebopped over all over the place.
We're talking to each other. I know we feel the same about the situation, like we're stuck inside a game. Time to get out of this circle. Yeah, we both carry a scar. Let's rewrite the part we're playing. Time to cherish who we are.